Now check. As much as you do not want, not want, let me not say it like that. As much as it's not our goal to have millions and millions of subscribers like Master Beast and Ali Abdal and them, we also want to be validated for our efforts here on YouTube. And so one of those milestones or those goals you want is to at least have 1,000 subscribers, man. Have people watching your videos, meaning have viewers, have people engage with your videos, and you going back and forth with these people. Create some sort of community around your channel, But you are stuck. I am stuck. You are stuck under 1,000 subscribers. And the thing is, maybe you are making one of these 4 mistakes. Now, if you watch, I purposefully left the most valuable mistake last. That is mistake number 4. I want you to watch to that one. I'm almost certain you are making this mistake. This is the sneaky 4 mistakes that are preventing you from hitting the 1,000 subs. Without further ado, let's get into it. So maybe you are the creative who is doing a little bit of everything. By that I mean this week or today you create a vlog, about your life, and then tomorrow you create a tutorial, and then the day after you create a video about how to, and maybe a sandwich review. So you are a little bit all over the place, and then you are not specific on what it is you want your whole channel to be known by. You are not certain, you're not sure, you don't want to be specific of what it is you talk about on your channel or in your videos. And this is a mistake, this is a problem, because think all the channels that you are subscribed to on YouTube, it's because of one specific thing, be it the creator or the channel. The creator, maybe how authentic he or she is, or the type of vibe, or how they make you feel. That's why you subscribe to that person or that channel, or it's maybe because that when this channel comes out with the video next week, they are going to talk about a specific topic, and this is something that I'm interested in knowing or learning or understanding about. That is why you've subscribed to that channel. So if you know this, why aren't you creating your videos in a similar way? Because you are all over the place and your video creation and your posting is so random, that is somewhere somehow preventing people from subscribing to you. So if it's not the first one, maybe it's this one. You are very weak in the beginning of your videos. So that on a YouTube platform, it's a game where people commit to watching the rest of your video within the first 5 or 10 seconds of the video. So what you show within the first 5 seconds or the first 10 seconds of the video has to hook them. It has to entice them to want to continue watching or to commit to watching the rest of the video. So if you know this and are really smart about this, so what you want to do is you make sure that you don't start slow, you start with a bang, you bring the energy, you just make sure that the people are hooked and connected and they will keep watching the video all the way through. How do you do that? You do that by starting with curiosity, with emotion in your video, be it in how you convey specific point information, like you starting with a question, or if you're showing visuals, show shocking visuals that people were not expecting to see. This is a hook that keeps you people watching, and if they notice that the video hooks them and it provides value throughout, they will definitely subscribe to your channel. and this is how you quickly get to your 1,000 subscribers. At the same time, have people engaging with your videos, of course. No clear call to action, so unless this is someone that has been consuming YouTube content for years, they are able to actually look at your videos and acknowledge you as a good creative and actually subscribe to you. But if this is somebody that only recently started watching YouTube videos, you need to tell them to like your video. You need to tell them to subscribe to your channel, because they will not necessarily do that because they don't understand how the YouTube algorithm works. Because you tell them that by subscribing to my channel, next time when I upload a video, it will be shown on your feed. You'll get to watch that one as well, So you need to, in a way, walk into how to incorporate call to actions into your videos, basically. Tell people to do certain things. Tell people to engage with you in the comment about something they hear or they see in your video. There's nothing wrong with that. This helps you as a creative, and it helps your channel to grow as well, And of course, this goes without saying, please drop a 100 if you agree with what I've shared so far in this video. Now, the last one, tip number 4, the one that I promised you are probably making. That one is you building on what is already working. We make this mistake of inventing the wheel, of always coming up with new video ideas, with new editing ideas, and with new styles that we learn from these and that creative, forgetting that maybe we have created 1 or 2 videos that caught on, that got nice views, Because what you need to do is basically go back to those videos and analyze those videos that did very well. What you learn from those videos is how you started the video, what people were really interested in when they watched that video, why that video got so many views, because then this tells you that you must then start looking for videos around that same idea, that topic idea. So then you remix the ideas, you come up with 2 or 3 more ideas that you can create around that same topic, and then you tell yourself, I'm going to hook my audience the same way I hooked them in these videos. I'm going to edit it, the flow, the pace of the video is going to be the same. That is how you replicate the winning videos into your YouTube channel. As beginners, we forget that that's what we need to do, or maybe we don't know that that's what we need to do. It's a game. You need to play the game. You don't necessarily have to come up with something original, brand new each and every time. You might have found something that already works on your channel. It's time now to build on that skill that works. Yes, that's it. That's what I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I see you guys in my next one.